How to check new iPhone IMEI number. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. Here, scroll down to the Physical SIM section and tap on the IMEI number. Then, tap on Copy. Now, go back and open up the Safari app. Here, search for IMEI Pro and then go to imeipro.info from the results. Once you're here, scroll down and paste the IMEI number you just copied in the text bar. Complete the captcha test and then tap on Check. You can now check details like IMEI number, brand, blacklist status and more from here. Following these steps, you can easily check new iPhone IMEI number. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.